B unit or 2 unit?
Just 2 mark.
Second unit.
Second unit.
So sweet.
It's not going.
They're different.
Hey, sweetie.
What do you mean?
Wait.
Yes!
Thanks, Dylan.
Okay, we're good.
What? Oh my god. Okay, here we go. Shit balls.
Nice!
Okay.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Stop!
How about you, Justin Bieber? Did you do the reading?
Yeah. Jesus Christ.
You made him say the God.
Damn it.
Whoa.
Whoa, Scott, come on! Come on! Come on!
All right, I'm gonna do it again. So...
Ah! Motherfucker!
God damn it! Jesus Christ, dude.
Damn it, I'm sorry.
Alright, cut. Very good. One more of those.
Woo!
Isn't that one of the heart rate monitors for the track team?
Yeah, I borrowed it.
Stole it?
Temporarily misappropriated. Coach uses it to... oh my god. What is it? Coach uses it to... God, what is the line?
Let's start with the basics. You know how every family has its secrets.
Coach uses it to monitor his heart rate while he jogs with his phone.
Ours is a little bit different. This is not real. Russell is our secret.
That I stole. That I stole. That I stole. We're done. Go. They're not freaking nicer than you are.
Oh, I can show you exactly how nice they should be. It's from Why Not? Sad.
We got some sound speed. We got some real MCs up in here, baby.
That wasn't as good. That wasn't as good, was it?
It would be so awkward. It's like we just didn't.
What are you laughing at?
I said no wolf powers.
Maybe not.
Just made you pay for that.
That's gonna soak in us both our underwear.
Oh my god.
You know, sometimes I really begin to friendship this question.
to a fur coat and give it to her as a birthday present. Let me say that again. What's up?
I know one thing. When I find it, I can trust.
All right.
Can I trust you, Allison? Come give your grandpa a kiss. Sounds like a soccer player.
Yeah, 2 lines.
This guy will find me. He knows my scent. It's pungent, you know? It's like a...
Get that guy.
We are drowning in little poops.
There's like some white hair.
Caterpillar poops. We're not caterpillar. We're not in the middle of a take, are we? That'd be so awkward.
Seriously, if he does anything, like, anything weird, bizarre, anything, yeah, anything evil.
Third rate passion in my hand.
Big shootable. It's here.
It's been from big and bad neighborhood. Expensive as this. Did you fart?
I don't care. I can help.
It's okay.
You ready for that? Okay.
You alright, man?
I'm good.
Look, that's what you keep telling yourself? And I don't know the line. There's a burp in my face.
Yes! And there's no one here to celebrate.
I think that's it.
Styles and Scott, do you really want to try applying lunch to those two? Maybe we should go back.
Yeah, blooper. You don't care about like the.
Sounds like someone from the handsaw.
You say handsaw? Handsaw? Get it open! Come on, that's gonna be awesome. Oh, can I redo mine?
You're my friend.
It's a dirty single. Yeah, dude, so happy for you right now. We got Alpha Werewolves against Dark Druid. What's next, a Pokemon? I'm just kidding. Definitely had sex. Yeah, had sex last night for show.
I just want to kiss you.
Yeah, sit there. Put your butt in it. tired. No, I'm done. I can't. Oh my God. Are you okay? I am the Alpha. Peter, are you drinking? All right, one more. Here you go. Cut. What are we doing?
Welcome to Team Wolf.
Did you say I had a nice ass?
Oh, we have a waffle truck here? Oh my God, there's a toenail on my food.
Like 2 o'clock, where I had a ha-ha-pa. Background, then action.
Whoa. And sorry.
I just needed a little more time.
I got most of it. Jeez.
Shut up, we can get back to that. My mom told me about it.
Wait, what?
What is that line? Sorry.
We're not exactly brain trust of geniuses here, are we?
Then maybe we should call one. Domino's Pizza, yeah. Hi. Wings, lots of wings.
Quit it!
Yep. Sorry.
What is that, dude?
Wow, this is a crazy scene.
We let the sirens go by.
Do we make out now or something? Yeah. Okay, cool.
How far would she go? How far would she go?
We let that train run on by.
Did you just burp?
And exactly this kind of thing.
I'll just go.
Maybe you need to get close.
And we let those planes fly.
And we'll do lots of that. What is that line? I promise I would help you study first, for the love of God. Ooh! Maybe Morning.
Oh, sorry. I thought it was just his line. The text line.
He didn't even get to say his line. Which was all.
Sorry, we got it.
What's my first line? That's amazing. He's kind of sucking at the moment, so maybe you can give like a little bit of. Maybe you could use the vitamin. It should be a little bit. Willpower. Pick it up.
Sorry, guys. If he makes me drink any more of this
Man, I'm so horny. I just can't. Yeah, buddy. Sorry, I don't know my line. Sorry. Okay. Sign in the lens. Cool.
Two cameras, A/B, common markers. Peace out.
Two cameras, A/B, Dylan leg markers. The editors, they love that stuff.
What was that?
Right.
2, 3.
Both just farted at the same time.
Cool.
Seriously, somebody kill me.
You want to have sex?
Okay. Really? I'm gonna kill you guys. Sorry, hair everywhere.
My balls itch. I can't scratch them. I need a ball itcher. Thanks, Eddie.
Hey,
And where's Derek?
I don't know.
Hey!
You like this?
Yeah.
Ow.
I don't know if they see it. Oh! Yeah!
What happens after 45 minutes?
He dies.
What?
You're not down with that?
Jesus!
Take 3.
Like, whoever thought by an airport we'd see so many planes?
Jeff, if you hear me, write a scene where I'm pooping and Styles is talking to me. I farted.
Hey, Mark. Sure.
Oh,
Oh, wait, I dropped my gun. I dropped that.
You know, for a minute there, I thought I was gonna tear the two of you apart. Yeah, it would have made for a awkward ride home.
I'm not gonna do that.
Why'd you guys break? Unprofessional.
Yeah, right.
Oh, that was supposed to close. Yeah, sometimes you gotta do it.
I missed my gun. I totally.
New pillows for season 5. Mark it down.
Copy that.